Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices are ready and connected. This matters because time sync relies on iPhone's network time. First, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and the watch is near the iPhone. Open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then General. You want automatic settings. If you see a manual time offset enabled, turn it off now. Once done, force close the Watch app and reopen it to prompt a fresh sync. This triggers the iPhone to push correct time settings to the watch. Next, verify the iPhone is authoritative. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is enabled. This uses your carrier or network time and prevents drift. If that's fine, restart both devices to clear temporary networking glitches. Shut each down, wait 30 seconds, then power back on. Once they reboot, keep them close and let the watch reconnect. If the watch still shows incorrect time, unpair it from the Watch app and pair again. Pairing reestablishes the full configuration and sync. Finally, after pairing or fixes, give the devices a few minutes to finish iCloud and network sync. Time can lag briefly while services update. Make sure both iPhone and watch are on the latest software because updates often fix timekeeping bugs. Update in settings if needed and repeat the restart and sync steps. If the watch still shows wrong time, collect the watch serial number and any error behavior, then contact Apple support. They can inspect logs and advise repair or deeper diagnostics as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.